Hello guys, this is Shri Biswas and you're watching me on Strong Mind, and today's workout is going to be the favorite of everybody out there. Yeah, exactly. It's going to be the abs workout. And the fact is, I've long been requested by many of my brothers out there to make a separate video on lower abs. Yeah guys, now I'm here. I've finally made it. And I really believe that this workout is going to be very much helpful for you guys if you do it on a regular basis. And one more thing guys, there is not a single workout which is gonna work really unless or until your diet is healthy. So the funda is very clear guys: eat healthy and get healthy. And one more thing guys, before doing any type of exercise, you have to be very much careful about your breathing. When you squeeze your muscle, you have to breathe out, and when you release your muscle, you have to breathe in. So that's it guys. And if you want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you can do so. The links are in the description. And please guys, do subscribe and do support. And now let's go.
Perfect.